kids. We will show you what they did when the wolf was at the door. Alarm chick, alarm chick, alarm chick, baby, and it's a ghost, it is a ghost, it is a baby, it is a ghost, it is a ghost, it is a baby too. Cough is a cow, cough is a cow, cough is a cow's baby. It is a ghost, it is a ghost.
So she said, little kids, come here. Listen to me, dear children. I'm going to the forest to get some food. Beware of the big bad wolf. He's got a rough voice and black feet. Don't open the door, okay?
Okay, Madam. Don't worry, dear Madam. We will not open the door. No, we will not open the door. You are not our mother. She has a sweet high voice, and your voice is right. You are the big bad wolf. Away, Wolfie. No, we will not open the door. You are not our mother. She has a sweet feet, and your feet are black. You are the big bad wolf. Away, Wolfie.
I want you to the little kid. Sorry, what did you say? I want
Hey! He's a big bad wolf. He wants to drag us out. Where are we going to hide?
Well, not here. He's in Ananda. He wanted to see the Alakma.
On the forest.
Knock, open the door, dear children. It's your mother. And cut, little kid number 5. Hooray! Cut, little kid number 6.
Alright.
Cut, little kid number 7. 2 stones here. So. 3 stones here. So.
It's about a kid.